A lot of times people ask that as soon as it is winter, as soon as it's cold, we start getting joint pain, body gets stiff, we have discoloration, dull skin, body gets dry. So what is the reason and how do we get rid of it? Today in this video, I'm going to talk about how to tackle the cold season problems, the winter season problems through Ayurveda. Let's understand in a beautiful and an easy way along with remedies that help you from the first day itself. So keep watching, we'll be back. Namaste everyone, welcome to Jyovis Hospital of Ayurveda and Aesthetic Center, Mumbai. We need to understand that people often complain that cold season and Vata Vikar. What is the reason in cold and Vata? What is Vata? We'll understand all of this. So we need to understand whenever the temperature goes down, whenever there is cold season, whenever there is winter season, we see naturally the Vata dosh, the air element increases in the body. Beautifully said as Sarvam Dravyam Panchabhautikam Asmin Arte. We are all made up of the 5 elements, whether it's us, whether it's the leaves, it's a tree, it is every object we see, it is comprised of the Pancha Mahabhut. So we see a predominance of air element in the Vata dosh. So what is this air? If you see the air here, if you feel the air, you'll see the air is dry, the air is light. You're riding a motorcycle, you're driving a car, a lot of driving, a lot of horse riding, what will it lead to? You'll see you have a lot of dryness, your hair will go dry, your skin will go dry, you will feel very dry, and it is light. All the properties of the Vata dosh we see in a person. So we need to have certain things which are opposite to the properties of the Vata. Vata is light, so opposite light is Guru, which is heavy. Opposite of Ruksha is Snigdha. I'm just giving you an example. It's Snigdha. So we need something which is Snigdha, which is Guru. And a small example of how you can combat all the Vata Vikaras, it is the Taila, which is oil. Out of all oil, it says that sesame oil is a simple, easily available and very, very effective. Shastra says, Ayurveda says, sesame oil can make a lean person, muscular, and also a very obese person lean. That is the property of sesame oil, which is a fit for everybody, whether it is Vata, Pitta or Kapha, although coconut is recommended for Pitta and sesame for Vata, Kapha, but sesame generally can be used by everyone. Over here, very important, it is said to internally hydrate and to externally hydrate. Over here, very important is Abhyangam Acharya Nitya Sajara Shrama Vata. Acharya Vagbhat explains beautifully in the Ashtanga Hridaya when it comes to Abhyanga. For all those patients who want to avoid or delay aging, who want to treat their Jarajanya Vyadhi, osteoarthritis and old age disorders, who want to delay their lifestyle disorders, for all those who want to have a long life and a healthy life with good strength and stability, which I'm sure we all need, they must Nitya is regular, every day. Abhyangam Acharya Nitya. They must every day apply oil to your body. If you apply oil to your overall body every day for a minimum of 15 days, you will experience a complete different version of your own self if you apply it for 15 days only. You apply to your overall body from your neck to your toe or from your overall head to toe, you will see a very, very different change in your face as well. Because Abhyanga or oil application to your body not just works, because oil, when you apply to your body, it doesn't just work on the Rasa Dhatu or the Rakta Dhatu, right from your Rasa, Rakta, Mas, Met, Asti, Majja to your Shukra, to the reproductive system, it will have the good result. And we know the Sar Bhag, the potent Bhag of all the Sapta Dhatu is the Oja. So we see the Oja Shakti getting strength when you do the Abhyanga. The skin is comprised of 2 doshas. We can say the Vata dosh and the Bhrajak Pitta, which is the sthana. The skin is the sthana of it. So the overall Vata is, reduced. It's balanced when you do Abhyanga. Even if you have a problem, let's say the cervical spondylosis, and you apply overall oil to your body, you will see every cell of the body gets rejuvenation. Every single, osteoarthritis part is, fixed when you apply oil. So right from knee joint osteoarthritis to lumbar spondylosis to the sciatic to the cervical spondylosis, spondylitis, spondylithiasis, we see good results when you start doing Abhyanga. Similarly, as we learned about the external application, we must also know in the olden time, people used to have castor oil, which is eranda tel, on a Saturday. They used to have it on a Saturday night. They used to give some fermentation, give some sekai, some hot fermentation on your stomach and the overall back. And on a Sunday, they used to have a holiday or they used to rest. So on that Sunday, they used to have loose stools. Remember this, eranda tel is vayostapan, it is vatahar. It is said as it will only remove the toxins out from the body. It will never give you loose motions. It will never give you watery stools. It will always remove the toxic part out of the body. Hence, when you have loose motions or when you have motions with eranda tel, you will never feel weak. You will feel strong. It gives strength and stability. It is vayostapan, which means for all old age disorders, eranda tel works very, very good. The way external oleation Snehapan helps us, similarly, eranda tel around 1 to 2 teaspoon, 2 to 4 teaspoon as per proper guidance, as per proper advice, as per your body. If you have this once in 15 days, once a month, or as per your body, then the doctor will decide. In the olden time, they always used to do it on a Saturday and detox on a Sunday for long-term results and for overall rejuvenation. So, it is very important to have the opposite of the Vata, which is snigdha dravyas like eranda tel, like sesame oil, which is til tel. As per a Vaidya's guidance, one must yearly have panchakarmas like Vaman, Virechan, Basti, Nasya and Rakta Mokshan, out of which Basti Chikitsa is said to be the best for Vata Vikaras. A Matra Basti for 90 days or a Yoga Basti for 8 or 16 days is recommended for anybody with Vata Vikaras. So for all the Jarajanya Vadi, cancer, osteoarthritis, Parkinson, dementia, paralysis, we see beautiful results of Vata Ahar, Vata Vihar, Vata Karma, which is the Pancha Karma, as well as every day following a routine which focuses on reducing the Vata. So the takeaway from this video is Abhyangam, eranda tel, and consult a nearest authentic classical Ayurveda doctor and get the Basti Chikitsa every year and rejuvenate the system. Make sure before you work on tackling with the disorders, you work on in a way where you don't have disorders. You focus on overall rejuvenation and Rasayan. Rasayan is that which takes us from Prakruti Stapan to Prayaschit, from Vish to Avish, from Dukayu to Sukayu, and from Rogi to Swasthya. So simple Chavanprash is Rasayan, a simple Amalaki Rasayan is Rasayan, a simple Narsimha Rasayan is Rasayan, a simple Brahma Rasayan is Rasayan. So 1 to 2 teaspoon every day early in the morning is Rasayan. Similarly, choose Ayurveda, choose wisely. This is all for now. Do like, share this video further. Until next time, from Jyovis and the team, look impressive, be progressive.